Hi! In front of me is VIVO IQOO Z8 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by opening your device's keyboard and tapping on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If it's not visible, select this gear instead. Now click on voice typing and tap on the gray switcher next to it to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard. Click on Now Visible Microphone and wait for Speak Now command. Then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to stop typing, you need to tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!